Christmas on Scottish, and what a display of family favourites. Celebrity Gladiators offers the ultimate showbiz challenge. And nowhere else will you see such a glittering array of talent than the Stars in Their Eyes Winners Special. And here's one megastar who'll raise eyebrows all over the world.
Since we weren't quite expecting you, Bert, I don't think we've got a Bert badge, but that'll do. No!
And what about Scylla?
But you are you not, Jason Orange's brother?
Yeah. Entertainment for Christmas on Scottish.
Viv Lumsden, Shireen Nanjiani and Jim White have the latest Scottish and sporting news in Scotland today in a few minutes.
Here's a hint of what I want for Christmas. No. Hasn't it sunk in yet?
Oil of Ulay improves the appearance of fine lines in under 2 weeks. Isn't that what every woman wants for Christmas?
Ah, Mr. Johnson! Hello, Mr. Johnson! Hello, Mr. Johnson!
Magic moments when too hard to carry.
This Christmas at Debenhams, you'll find gifts in silver and gold, glass and brass, taffeta and lace, porcelain and paper. Family gifts at affordable prices. At Christmas, the difference is Debenhams.
For those of you who haven't won the lottery, you can save 50p per pound on Tesco boneless leg of pork this Christmas. Live it up with a saving of £1 on Tesco raspberry pavlova. Go mad with 50 whole pennies off Stilton cheese. Oh, all right, it's not the jackpot, but it is a total saving of £2. Oh, look, a bottle of Tesco Van de Pay, £1.99. Tesco at William Lowe. Every little helps.
With 2 floors packed with shops and stores, you'll find more gift ideas at the St Enoch Centre this Christmas. Open 7 days a week and late on Thursdays, you've more time to shop. And with easy access by car, bus, train or underground, what could be more fun than a trip to Glasgow's centre of attraction? The St Enoch Centre. We've got more of it covered this Christmas.
Good evening, I'm Viv Lumsden.
I'm Shireen Nanjiani and this is Scotland Today at 6:30.
On the programme tonight, another Edinburgh Legionnaires case confirmed. Will high winds cause new danger?
Jumping the hospital queue, new claims of a 2-tier.